Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's been a minute, man. It's been a while. Hey, man, look what we got right in front of us, right with. Shout out, bro, man. Tyler's dad right there in the front. But anyways, man, we're on our way to the Aztrackstar meet today. As y'all can see, we are about. We are about like 10 minutes out. I was gonna show y'all, but that shit's in the way anyway. But we are a few minutes out. Yeah, we're about 12 minutes out now, yeah. 12 minutes out. So, yeah, but it was a 30-minute drive. I just like, man, I'm gonna film right now. Fuck it. But yeah, we're on our way there. We're gonna meet up the team. We got some people from Cali coming out from VQ Society too. I think it's, if I'm not mistaken, unless they were here already, but I think it's Jerry from VQ Society and Delinquent, and I'm not sure if it's more people, but so far I know it's just 2, maybe 3. But we're on our way over there right now. So if anything, I'll catch y'all at the meet, because this is a good drive still. Yo, he's right here. Yes, sir. We are here, but I'm in the shade because it's a little too hot for me. But part of the crew has popped up over there. I guess I don't know where exactly they're at. Probably walking around, but we're outside. There's a lot of people outside now. But got the Z outside popped out. Yeah. I'm gonna just chill in the shade here for a little bit, wait for the sun to go a little bit down before I walk around. All right, guys, we're gonna start walking now. Got vendors outside, but yeah, we got a drink. Got the Z outside, and then yeah. This is the owner of the Z right here, apparently. What you gotta say about it? No.
Wrong guy. He's recording.
No. There you go. That's him right there.
For real.
But yeah, we outside though. We're gonna go check out the other cars, a ver qué. Pero aquí andamos con el compa. I'm gonna put his IG on the screen right here. This is Pancho right here.
Pancho Villa.
Pancho Villa right here. And then we got Jose in the cut too. Sheesh. But yeah, we outside, man. Sheesh. See how much more cars we see. Oh yeah, we got Capitan over here. Sheesh. Sir. Capitan with the turb ski up top. We got a shit ton of cars to look at over there también, so this is just the start. Shit, my bad. Oh, la verga, the 400. This is your GTR here?
Yeah.
Sick. How much power are you making?
2 horsepower.
Damn. Got another one over here. I think so. Yeah, I think it is. Sheesh. This is clean. There you got the Tesla, but the Tesla not that attractive, yeah. Damn, you got GTR heaven right here. Oh. Eso sí, no. Eso no cuenta. Aquí andamos con los GTRs, and then we come up with the bikes right here. Virgies. And then we got the crew outside right here. We got the VQ Society gang outside. That one right there, that Q60 right there is this guy. The owner now for sure. Yeah, he got shits on the bikes. Verga, ni voy a caber yo ahí. Me quesito bien chiquito, boy. Sheesh. But yeah, this is everybody out here. Where's everyone at? Oh. But, yeah, this is the lineup of the crew right here. BQ Society. Sheesh. And we still got a whole bunch of people still rolling in, too. Sheesh. Well, not anymore, I think. Earlier it was. Oh no, yeah, it's still late. But yeah, we got Gabby. I forgot his name. We got Pancho right here. We got VR Baby, Delinque, Luis, and who knows that. And then we got Delinque right here with the Meisters también. Sheesh. And we got Luis. Oh yeah, Juanito over there. Antonio right here. Sheesh. So Juan. Nothing, man, just recording. A little bit. Go car racing. Sheesh. Crazy right here. We got the tree. Wide body tree right here. Verga. Wide as fuck. I guess I'm gonna walk by myself or be over there busy talking. We got the Genesis outside. Damn, bro, we got a whole bunch of bikes outside. But yeah, we got more to check out all the way over there too. Hiding right here on the side. The Camry's outside too. Still spacing the wrong way, but it's okay. Damn. I've seen this one a couple of times right here. Talk about. Hey. In the Prius too, the compa right here. Yeah, I haven't seen this was Prius in a minute. But yeah, haven't seen his in a while. Whoa. Yeah, Ford go hard low key. Clean. Clean. And we got the homies right here. Yeah, I forgot his name, bro. I'm telling you, I got a brain fart today. I'm forgetting people's names today. Back at it again, my bad. Gonna meet up with a homie. I haven't seen a minute. Sheesh. Damn, there's a lot of people outside. Hard, low key. Just clean. Got the Atlanta right here. Mark 5 right there. Oh, that's just pretty badass, right? That's just sick, low key. I like the push bar, the crash bar, whatever. She's bad as fuck. She's bad as fuck. Carbon food. Yeah, she's 7 for hard. Damn, there's a lot of cars right here. Yeah. Another C6. Ooh. Damn, the theory right here, this one goes hard. I like it. It's just clean. Sheesh. Yeah, and this right hand drive. This one's clean. I like this one. This one's pretty clean. I think I know who it might be if I'm not mistaken. But it's been a minute, so I don't remember. Oh, we got this one. This one's clean. This one's clean. Simple but clean. Then we got the Accord pulling up with the Q6 on the side. That one goes hard. With the Kansai wheels, I think. Unless I'm pronouncing it wrong, my bad. But yeah. That's just clean right here. Good. The Mark V with a couch next to it. Go on the couch. Come pick it up, scoop. They're a little rough shape, but y'all wanna make it look clean BMW right here. Clean. Damn. Oh hell, but get this head. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, what the hell? This C7 go hard with the turquoise color. It's low key. When I used to play GTA, this was the crew color right here. With the homies. The Civic goes hard. With the stand. Obviously, I'm putting color. This one right here. Damn, this was no joke right here, y'all. Watch out. This is the best of show right here. Watch out. This damn. This is a pretty good lineup right here, so let's check it out. We got more cars in the back. We got the CA. The only fans right there. Damn, DTR right here going hard though. Okay, we in luxury over here. The Mark V, and then we got the 400. The 400 down. I think this is Smurfs, if I'm not mistaken, right? The Compa Smurf right here. I think this is 400Z right here. He's done a lot of work to it. Oh, that shit's clean right there. That shit's clean. Got the Evo. And now we're coming up to the lineup of the FRSs right here. BRZ. Oh, yeah. We got one right here. We got another, never mind, it's a 350Z. Yeah, andan tumbados right here. Verga. Este está más tumbado este. Let's see, fire right here. With the gold wheels. Oh yeah, I've seen this one a couple times right here. Sheesh, right here you got nothing but the Mopar boys right here. Sheesh. Left to right, all Mopar right here. There you go. camel rep. 300. Sheesh. Pretty good lineup right here. Pretty good lineup. Oof. Damn. Little Miata right here. Huh. Todo chiquito. Damn, bro. The right hand of this BMW is clean as fuck. Right? Sheesh. We got the Evo. Nice. 86 is right here. Got the drone outside too. Yeah, no lo veo. And then we got the compa right here. The water. La agüita. We got this one. Sheesh. That one. La troca, I can't forget the truck. This is pretty clean, this is clean. We're gonna make our way back over there to where the Z's at right now. Go turn on the Tesla screen and then the what should we call those things? The stars up on the top. But yeah, we'll check out more cars on the way there, so I'll let y'all know when I'm done walking right now. Pretty clean bill right here. Got the M right there, the M. The Q50 right here. Another Q50. There you go. Oh, we got the bands outside too. And another Jenny right there too. But yeah, we'll make our way over there actually. Let's check that out. What the hell do we got there, bro? Sheesh. Let's start off with Tyler, aka his dad right here. His Mark IV Supra, it's just clean as fuck. I want to give him a follow right there. And compa right there. Sheesh. Let's see what else they got. And we got another Mark IV right here, another Mark IV Supra right here. Sepa que será esto right here, but shit is wild. Damn.
Believe it or not.
Oh, I guess it's a Corvette then. Yeah. The GT500 right here with the Z01 next to it. Damn. 400. Oh, let's see what we got over here. Los Tumbados right here. Damn, with the lime green Stang right here. This is pretty clean. This is not bad. Not bad at all. And then we got the homie Henny right here. With his Evo, bro. This Evo is clean, bro. It's gotta be the cleanest Evo I know out here in Arizona, bro. No cap. Then you got the homie Gage right here. I think it's Gage. I forgot. Like I said, I'm having a brain fart right now. The names are not popping on my head. But this is the homie right here. Compa. Damn, that 400 is Evo hard. And I think this is Jerry's, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is Jerry's car. Se me hace que sí. And it could be, but anyways. You got the... Sheesh. We got Chapin right here, bro. The compa Chapin right here. Fuck, sorry. With the 5-0 right here. Crew setup is crazy. Got another Lambo right here. Se quedó congelado el compa ahí. Ahí coming in. But yeah, this event is hosted right here with Aztrackstar and then also the Clutch people. Yeah, there you go. Clutchsupply. There we go. Those are the guys that collabed with Aztrackstar for this event. But it's popping, bro. There's a whole bunch of people. But yeah, we're gonna make our way back to the Z right now. And we're gonna post up right there for a little bit. And then I'll see you there, Kev. I think that's Kev if I'm not mistaken. It could be Kev. But the thing is, we're gonna make our way back to the Z over there. I'll see you guys over there right now. And definitely a good turnout, man. Got the Z on because I didn't want it to die on me. Got the telescreen going on inside there. But yeah, it's kind of dying down a little bit. They had just announced that the meet was over already. Because it was getting a little rowdy, so I'm assuming that's why. But yeah, there's still a lot of people outside still, bro. That shit's crazy. But yeah, we outside still. I'll see you. I'll probably leave it a little bit. But yeah, this is it for now, man. We got a crazy turnout leaving and everything, but I think I'm gonna head out too now. But I'm most likely gonna record a little bit on the 360, show you guys a little bit of what it looks like out here on the 360. So I'll probably film a little bit. I'll put the 360 on before I leave and then get you guys a couple. Ah, damn, what the fuck is over there doing all that noise, man? God, damn. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna put the 360 on and we'll switch over to there, man. But yeah, catch y'all later, man. Oh yeah, not drinking the styrofoam piece from that accident, bro. What the fuck? Pinche styrofoam a la verga, güey. Fuck. That shit was wild, bro. Alright, guys. That was the meet. That was the Aztrackstar meet right there for y'all. That shit was popping low key. That shit was popping. But yeah, crazy accident on the way back to the house. But we're gonna get some Taco Bell. You know what I'm saying? I know some people gonna say that, ooh, Taco Bell nasty. Well, guess what, man? I'm hungry. Night. Can you give me a second? Bro, why is bro talking? I'm not even over there, bro. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. But yeah, yeah, we here, man. But yeah, so that was the meet. Let me know what you guys think of the meet. Let me know if y'all spotted any cool cars out there. I didn't really stand and filmed all the cars. I apologize in advance because it was a long walk. So I was like, man, I just want to get through this shit pretty quick. And yeah, so I apologize if I kind of rushed through it, but it was a lot of walking and my legs were kind of hurting a little bit, but we got it. You know, we popped out. We got the 360. We got a 360 view once we left. I forgot to put the 360 when we got there, so I apologize for that too in advance. But I'm gonna grub, and we're gonna go back home, and we're gonna play some COD. Play some COD, baby. Hell yeah! Start dominating in the lobbies and stuff. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna probably end it right here because I'm gonna just grab food and just go home. So I appreciate you guys that stay towards the end of the video. Like I said, I'm gonna try to pop out more. I just have to buy myself a little surprise that I'm gonna most likely vlog for you guys. So if you guys stay towards the end, you guys would know that there's a future surprise coming up in the future that y'all will have to stay tuned for. Definitely stay tuned for that. But like I said, we're going to Taco Bell, then we're going home and play some COD. But yeah, I appreciate you guys again. Like I said, share, like, and subscribe for me. Would definitely appreciate you guys. We'll try to pop out again more for sure. But as of right now, I am kind of just saving for what I'm got coming up. But stay tuned. All right, I appreciate you guys. Till next time, man. It's 9:28. Peace out, y'all. Later, man. Peace.